Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll talk about the new features of Filmora 13. Let's dive in. AI copywriting. This feature acts like ChatGPT in Filmora. To use this, open Filmora, click on AI copywriting, select the category, input the video topic, select the language, and then click on Generate. Here you have the result. Compound clip. This feature merges multiple clips on your timeline into a single object. To do that, simply right-click on the selected clips and click on Create Compound Clip. Name the compound clip and then click on OK. You will see that all of your clips are merged into one clip. To edit this, double-click on the compound clip. Here you can edit it. Auto captions. This feature generates animated subtitles for all your videos in one click. To do that, simply right-click on your audio and select Speech to Text. Select the text language, choose the appropriate option, and click on OK. Within seconds, Filmora generates the captions for your video. Here we have the results. You can also edit your text. To do this, simply select your text and navigate to Titles. Here you can edit your text. Instant Cutter. On the Filmora home screen, click on Instant Cutter, add your video, trim your video, and then click on Export. Select the path where you want to save your video and click on OK. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos.